So hey there, this is Lee, and in this short video I'm going to be showing you how to edit videos fast using the Canva video editing feature. This is my Canva design, my canvas page, just like you would expect in any Canva design that you might be used to or familiar with. And then I can flip over here and get to see my layout. So I've got my opening title, and then I've got my end title, which is where you would put your YouTube elements, your YouTube cards, that kind of thing at the end of your video. So if I flip back to the video editing section, you can see we've got these different clips here. So what I'm going to do is bring in some footage that I recorded, some screen recorded footage of a tutorial that I'm currently editing. So all I have to do is drag it in, drop it in here, ready for me to start editing. And then I can move the timeline along here, so to any point. Or let's say I wanted to add a little graphic in this section. All I would need to do is just click split and then split the other part of the video. And then what's really cool is you can then bring in some animated elements. So for example, I could bring in this arrow, animated arrow, if I wanted to highlight this field here. I can also bring in some text. So if I I can change the layout and just have this highlighting a particular part of the video. I could also, if I wanted to, have a complete color or opacity overlay in this section. So using this element here, if I wanted to. So let's just see what that looks like. Just drop the opacity down. The other cool thing that I wanted to show you just quickly is music. So you can import music. Canva, as you probably know, has audio. I've actually got my own music that I've uploaded. So I'm going to drag that into here. I can change the level of this audio because it might be too overpowering for my voiceover that's in the tutorial. So I can just select that and drop down the audio as simple as that, say to about 10%. I can also edit the volume on this particular clip if I want to, by selecting it. I've clicked that a few times to get that to come through, and then I can drop the volume down on the video to 50%. As I showed you before, I've got end credits, or my kind of end titles for my YouTube elements. I can drag those to the end like this. So here, once you've chopped things up, you could rearrange them easily, you know, in sections. I think that's just really cool. And once you're ready with your editing, all you've got to do is just go to download, select all pages, and download as a completely edited video. Let me know if you found this video helpful. Let me know if you'd like to see any other Canva creation tips and tricks, and I will see you in another video. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you like videos like this. I like to create videos just like this to help you create and launch fast, and I will see you in another video. Cheers.